They might not think that we see it, we usually see it. Oh, it sort of looks like this might be a VR headset. What is it? I don't know. I would like an answer, though I don't think this is fun. 2. We've got nothing. Head 1. Oh hello, there is a lot happening, there is a lot in the design coming from year 1, but also of the phone over ear headphones with glyphs. It says the glyph interface gives feedback to the people around you. They can know if you're ready to talk or just want to get immersed in music. I think that's quite a cool idea. Okay, so there is a case and a stand, the transparency on the side, it's gonna be big, too much detail on the drivers as well. Batman, kind of inspiring. We don't make a pair of over-ear headphones, so it's interesting to see what someone else's idea would be. Okay, I want to see the Nothing Watch. I'm really intrigued by a Nothing Watch. This is cool. This render is really detailed. The Windows head just really good. Yeah, this detail feels like close to something. If these are buttons, what they do, like maybe this is the sort of like slider, perhaps maybe it's not a touch screen. I think that's quite fun if it's not a touch screen. Super jump, thank you very much. So now Nothing Book 1 laptop concept. Alright, it almost looks like a phone. 1 inside the laptop there's a charging coil to show where you can put your phone to charge. It would be in the way if you're left-handed. Maybe all the keys I would shrink down a bit. The keypad actually looks quite thick. Maybe it's quite a small screen, but it's nice. There is definitely some different depths to it, different layers under the transparent glass. Super job, thank you. 3D printed cat on Discord. Nice to see a work 3D printed cat. It'd be interesting to think about how this sounds. It kind of feels like it should be a subwoofer from this angle. I can't see if this speak.er is connected to something, or if it's a speaker. It needs an amp. Is it wireless? Does it need like a Bluetooth chip or something? The way that's been distorted is it's nice to see. It's really cool. So people might not, when people like make work on the internet, they might not think that we see it, but if something like gets a bit of buzz on like Twitter or LinkedIn or Discord, like we usually see it, so it's really fun. Like, please keep sharing your stuff. Andrea Copolino concept. I may have found the potential yet to be announced product by Nothing that for some reason know what he's talking about, even though it was hidden in plain sight. Today I will share my findings, so they're going through what it could be. This is great. This is real like CSI stuff. It's a really good detective, and then catting and rendering your project. So wireless charger. The texture work is really good here. It looks like yeah, a charger, a phone charger, but it's not plugged. Might be a battery. The concept of the video to try and guess what the next product is was really fun, and I really like the CSI boat where he went through and picked through all the screenshots. I think it needed a bit more zoom and enhance. Was it something just for us to inspire ourselves? We don't know. Super good, thank you for that. Okay, another Nothing charger from the glyph is back on this product. You can see this one, but like closed, this kind of ring, so I believe the charging bar will notify you about the battery level of the charger, which is I believe also a battery pack. You know, why not? We should do that. Nothing fun to looks different. This person's 1 million subscribers, which is more than us. Whoa, interesting. Yeah, 3 cameras. I really like how big this logo is, and how this is like an eye instead of an exclamation point. Not